Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is gold in front of us. We have different time frames here: daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and the 15 minutes. Our beloved time frame as of now. Previously, we were in love with hourly time frame, but market has been very volatile recently. So we are looking into the 15 minutes time frame. So if we look at the daily time frame of gold, so finally we can see that gold is continuing the correction, and yes, gold is trading below 4,000. As we all know, 4,000 was a very crucial level. Finally, gold broke the 4,000 level and trading below 4,000. Now the next big question is where gold is about to stop, because whatever we are seeing on the chart right now is a temporary thing. It's just a technical correction because we do not have the backing of the fundamentals. It means that in a technical correction, the movement do not last for a longer time. Maybe after 2 3 days, 4 days, you will see gold going up again. And when a movement is being supported by the fundamentals, then it continues for a couple of weeks to a couple of maybe a couple of months as well. For example, if market starts falling due to any fundamental reason, then you can expect the market to hit 3500, 340, or maybe 3000. Nobody knows. But when we have a technical correction, the movement is temporary. Right now, you can say the next support on the chart of gold is around 3950. If market breaks 3950, then it will be 3900. We are just playing from around the round numbers. That's it. Because technically the levels are far away and chances of market going to those levels are very less, like 3500, 3700. So on the daily chart of gold, we can see that yes, there is a possibility that the downside on the chart of gold may continue. And on the hourly chart, 1 hour chart of gold, we can see that gold is forming lower highs here. You can clearly see the structure of the market is not positive. When we have a lower high formation in the market, there's a high chance that the downside may continue. As we can see right now that on the chart of gold, market is taking support around 3970. This is the support on the chart of gold right now. Due to the formation of lower highs, there is a high chance that eventually market will be going below 3970. So if you have any ongoing sell on the market right now, you can hold your sell position, because right now we have a high chance that market will be continuing the downside. But obviously you need to use stop loss because gold is crazy. Nobody can predict the market. But still, there is a high chance that the market will try to continue the downside. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously as a day trader, it will be better for us to be on the sell side only. Because we are day traders, we need to follow the trend of the market, and right now the trend of the market is on the seller side. So we will be looking for sell positions only as a day trader. And if you are a swing trader, if you're a swing trader or position trader, then as I always say, my dear friends, you should be on the buy side only, because fundamentally gold is always bullish. Maybe you will get a very good opportunity to grab gold around lower levels like 3900. But right now we do not have any confirmation yet about the trend reversal. So swing traders and position traders, this is not the right time for you to enter. You need to wait for the better opportunity. And day traders, as I just said, you can be on the sell side for the day as long as market is continuing the lower lows and lower highs market structure. Anyways, my dear friends, if you're liking the multiple chart setup, you can also get it for free. You just need to open your account with vantage.com. As you guys already know, Vantage is a reputed brand. It's a global brand. It doesn't require an introduction. It's a multi licensed broker, with all the best conditions for a trader. So they have the pro trader platform, and you can see the pro trader platform looks like this. So if you want to trade from TradingView directly, then also it is very useful, because you can see you can directly place your buy and sell positions from here. So if you use the pro trader platform, you don't need to analyze your market separately on TradingView and place your orders on MT4 or MT5. You can directly use the pro trader on vantage.com, and you can do everything at one stop. So feel free to open your account in Vantage if you don't have one. You can use our referral. Okay, you will also get access to our WhatsApp community, the premium group. And there's the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that okay, we have many lines here. Already I have updated in the WhatsApp community day trading opportunities for the day. So my dear friends, you can see market is trying to take support around 3970 area. So during the day, okay, if market drops, we can look for a sell position. But one more thing we need to keep in mind is that okay, already market has shown good amount of selling pressure, and for any breakout or breakdown, volume is important. And right now there is not much volume, but still, if you want to go for a sell, you can go for a sell with small lot size. But if you are not in a position to take big risk, you are trading with a very low capital, in that case it's better to enter at pullback. Because whenever you will trade, okay, in a breakout or breakdown scenario, there is always a possibility of a false breakout. So, okay, I always suggest you guys to wait for some consolidation. Right now, if market consolidates and market falls, then you can look for a sell below 3970, 3969 area. And if you do not want to take a risk, what you can do is you can wait for the market to come up again, because eventually the same level will become the new support. Means around 3970, 3980 market will face resistance. Same concept, previous support will act as the new resistance. So when it will become the new resistance, you can look for a sell position. So you can take a sell at breakdown if market drops after some consolidation of 1 to 2 hours, or you can enter at pullback when the same support will become the new resistance. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then 4020, okay, will be an important level. So 4020, you can see previous same concept. See, nothing, okay, nothing is new here. Okay, same things. 4020, okay, the previous support is acting as resistance. So during the day, if market breaks it, then 4020 will become the new. So try to understand the logic, okay, so that you can use it later, so that you can become independent. So later on, when 4020 will become the support, you can buy here as well. I'm not suggesting any buy at breakout. Why? Because we should not forget, right now there is selling pressure. But later on, if 4020 becomes a new support, we can look for a buy position. Similarly, okay, we can look for a sell position around 4034 and 40 I'll say 5255. Okay, so these are the next two levels where you can look for a sell position. As a day trader, how much you can expect? Gold is volatile, gold is giving 100 pips, so initially you can look for 100 pips easily. Okay, if you see further potential, then you can hold the market or hold the trade for under 50 to 60 pips. So 4034, 4034, 4035 and 5255 are the two levels where we can look for a sell position. Why are we looking for sell position here? You can see around 4050, 4055 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, see, previous support will be working as resistance. We are considering 403435 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. But keep in mind, my dear friends, okay, these levels are not very strong. For example, during the day, if you or during the US session, if you see the market is very volatile, suddenly there is a buying power. It may happen, isn't it? Because this is a technical correction. So if market goes up suddenly, okay, then you need to avoid. So as a trader, okay, use your common sense as well. Do not place positions blindly. So if market goes, again I'm repeating, if market goes up from here around 4020, market may face resistance, but we are not sure. So if you want to go for a sell, it's up to you. But later on, when 4020 will become the new support, as a day trader, you can look for a buy position there. As a day trader, you can also look for selling opportunities around 403435, which is a weak level. But in this situation, yes, there is a possibility that we can go for a sell if market shows price rejection from above. And we can also look for a sell around 4052, 4055, because round number, okay, plus the previous support will be working as resistance. 4053, 4052 is a better level in comparison to 3435. Okay, but in this situation, because of the market structure, there is a possibility that we may see further downside on the chart of gold. Next support is around 3950, then 3900. Let's see where market goes, because this correction was a long overdue. Okay, so if you are having a sell, you can hold your sell position with trailing stop loss. Okay, trading stop loss. And positional traders, swing traders, this is not the right time for you to enter. Okay, market will give you better opportunity after a few days, because gold is fundamentally bullish. We should not forget it. And whatever we discuss are for day traders only. Okay, let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, I will update in the free Telegram community as well. So if you are still not a part, feel free to join. The link is in the description.